Okay, go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah. Today I'm going to cover some of the topics like introduction to Power BI, difference between Excel and Power BI, downloading, how to download the Power BI, Power BI interface and workflow, types of data connections, introduction to Power Query, and basic table transformations. Okay, let's say, what is Power BI? According to Microsoft, Power BI is a self-service business intelligence platform, which includes both desktop and web-based applications for connecting, modeling, and visualizing the data. Let's take a minute and talk about why Power BI is so powerful. First up, it lets you connect, transform, and load huge volume of data, and you can access the data from virtually anywhere, where from databases like flat files, web sources, cloud storages, etc. And you can create fully automated ETL workloads to extract, transact, and load the data from further analysis. You can also build relational models directly inside Power BI to blend data from multiple sources. This includes Power BI skill set. This is an incredible powerful skill set for anyone working in automation and data science roles, because you create table relationships that allow you to analyze holistic performance across an entire relation and data models. We can also define complex calculations using DAX formulas. Like DAX is like data analysis expression language, which is basically used to calculate uh, like different data sets. We can calculate those with DAX. Power BI brings your data to life with interactive reports and dashboards. Like, so what is the main difference between Excel and Power BI? Here we have a Venn diagram. Like on the left, we have what are the different tools which are specific to Excel, like spreadsheets, pivot tables, and cell formulas. Everything are specific to Excel. On right, we have the Power BI specific tools like report view, custom visuals, interactive dashboards, and Power BI services. Like you can host them online. Like in the middle, you see some of the common for both Power BI and Excel, like Power Query, data model, and DAX. Uh, Excel and Power BI are built on top of the same analytical engine. Power BI takes the same data transformation and modeling capabilities and add powerful visualizations and publishing tools. So how many of you know how to download Power BI? Like, uh, anyone know how to download it?
I
Hello?
guess I guess the question is, have you all downloaded Power BI in
Yeah,
your laptop or even like looked at the dashboards?
I
If not,
tried,
I
it
think
did not work for me. I don't
okay,
even, I don't know why. I'm using a Mac.
probably
okay.
that's why. So
I
Sricharan, are
think
you going to
Power
show them?
BI, sorry, come, I didn't get it.
I was asking, are we going to show them like at least a link to show how to download or?
Yeah, we can show them. Like, uh, Power BI is, I think it's specifically for Windows platforms. You can download the Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store. Just go to Microsoft Store and search for Power BI desktop. One second. Yeah. You can search on top like, see,
Sricharan, there is a question similar
yeah,
to what Catherine had. What should we do if there is a Mac? If you're using a Mac, does Microsoft offer
uh,
some different solution?
no, I don't think so. Like we cannot use Power BI in Mac. Currently, it's offering only for Windows. You can use virtual machine and create a Windows operating system, then you can use the Power BI.
I think, okay, keep going. I found something. I'll just post it here.
Yeah,
Yeah, right. Well, same as what Sricharan is saying. There are a few options. Install and run Power BI on a cloud virtual machine, or install and run Power BI on a PC, then use the remote viewer.
yeah, that's
Um,
how you can access it. Just click on download here and you can access the Power BI desktop here.
Sricharan, we are only seeing your PowerPoint if you're
Oh,
showing
sorry,
something.
1 second. Sorry, it's on the other screen.
Okay.
Yeah, just uh, go to Microsoft Store and search for Power BI desktop. Then you will see this one. Click on download and you can open it from. Yeah, 1 second. Right now, what? 1 second. Yeah, right. Right now, what we are calling this as the view that we are seeing right now is called front end. We got reporting view, like reporting view and table view. It will show the tables that which we have in the dashboard, and we also have the modeling view. To get to Power Query, either we click on get data, or we can click on transform data to get to Power Query. Note, when you click on the Power Query editor, it will open in a separate window, completely separate from Power BI app, just like it does in Excel. So I think many of you are familiar with Excel. Like Excel also have this Power Query editor. Uh, this is where all those ETL steps takes place. It's essential when we are taking our raw data and preparing it for further analysis inside of Power BI. Once we apply these changes to the data, we'll load it into the front end. Like all these are the steps that are currently. 1 second. I will open another file. 'No, it's taking time. Okay. What I'm trying to say is these are the steps that I applied to some of the data. Actually, you cannot see the data. The source is not connected. So once the source is connected, you can see the data like this, like how you see in the table view, like that. Mm. One second, let it load. Oh, this one is also okay. Okay. Currently, the data is not connected. Okay. There is a way we can yeah, coming to data modeling. This is data modeling where we can define relations between tables, like by using columns, we can define relationship between the tables. Here, it is completely a different data set, so we don't have any relationship with these things. We can view independent tables as an independent objects in this thing. Like this one is a table which is an independent object, and we can design our own relation models for analytics. Next, we have the data view. Like, sorry. Oh, yeah. Next, we have the data view. This is the one place where we can actually see the data of our tables in rows and columns. Like you can see all the data that we have here. Note one, this is the Power BI has contextual menus. Whatever the, I mean, like if you click on the like one table, it will show you on top like table tools. What I'm trying to say is like based on what you are selecting, you will see different menu options. Like if you are clicking an column, it will show you the column tools. If you are clicking on the table, it will show you the table tools. Like now the last view we are talking
Sricharan,
about.
you keep cutting in and out. It's
Oh, sorry.
like
Yeah.
yeah.
So am I audible now clearly?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So the last view is report view. This is where we add all the tables and visuals to create custom reports and inherit dashboards. Like, and just like we have in just like Excel, we have the tabs here to navigate, like view different data views. Like in Excel, we have sheet 1, sheet 2, like that, but here it's called it's same like new page 1, page 2, something. Types of data connections, like
Sricharan, again you're cutting in and out. So can I say steal few minutes? Sorry, just to reiterate
yeah,
some of the things you've said.
okay,
Start with the visual. Can you click on air quality, please?
yeah,
The tabs. I think what Sricharan, just to reiterate what he's saying, so we are all clear, is there are there are there's a place where you can view the charts. That's this first on the left side is showing you the graph. So this is where everything you do on a front end. It's almost like a power pivot. It's like a pivot chart you would do. It's like working with a pivot table, right? On the right side, you have the data. Then you have the visualizations you can pick. You can put filters. You can drag and drop stuff in the column. You get a lot of visualizations here. Typically like bar charts, we use maps, all of that, right? He has created one for air quality where you have date as a filter, you have these pollutants as another filter, and then you can view this map. Now, all the data you all have provided for us, that's the tabs you are seeing here. So you have air quality, you have sensor data, you have water quality, you have water quality field report at the bottom, you have water quality lab report. So I highly recommend after today's sessions, download the Power BI desktop, or even if you have the link that Sri Charan has provided for you, go into that link and you can view the dashboard. So that's the first step. Make yourself familiar with the dashboard. What are all the visualizations we have? What are the filters we are applying, and so on. Then the second most important, so this is all front end, right? You can only do so much with the front end. Now we need to be able to look at the data itself, which is what Sri Charan was showing. Now Sri Charan, go to the second table view. If you really want to look at your data, start manipulating and start creating views. So this is the place you will also spend most of your time on. You see at the right hand side where it says data, it's simply the tables, right? You have air quality data, you have Santa Clara water quality data. These are all the sources of data that you have. And if you want to work with a particular table, let's say air quality data, you want to first view it, click on air quality data, you will see the data. And now you have options, like you can start manipulating your data, which is exactly what Sri Charan was saying. You have tools here. So if you click on any column, let's say you click on median, you'll start seeing all your column tools up here. So this is where you can change from a decimal to a percentage. These are all very typical tools you would see in Excel. Now, if you click on home, Sri Charan, home on top, you get more tools, right? Like here as well, you can create new measures, quick measures, a little bit advanced, nothing to do for today, but these are also very important tabs you will be working with. Now, the last one after the table views is how each of these tables are related to each other, right? So that's the relationship model where you can look at things. So Sri Charan, go to the next one. So model view. Today we have 5 sources of data. You have air quality data, that Nathan sensor data, you have water quality data. This is just showing you, hey, you have all these tables that you're bringing into this Power BI desktop. And these are all the columns or metrics that are available within that each of those tables. We are not connecting all of these tables today because we don't have a need. But when you think about Power BI and the power of Power BI, or when you work with large data sets and analytics, you will have to combine multiple sources of data into one. So that's where the relationships come. So just showing here today, these are all separate tables. And then lastly, Sri Charan, can you show the step-by-step stuff that we do for each of the tables? I think we want to make it clear. Okay, when you click on transform data, the most important thing, the beauty of Power BI is you can actually see exactly how Sri Charan is building all these tables, right? The table that comes in raw form just doesn't automatically go into that visualization. You have to clean the table. You have to, move the columns around. Power BI will actually tell you each of those steps.
Kami, 1 second.
Sorry?
Let me connect the source file so that they can view the data and we can
Yeah,
show them
can you?
step by step. Yeah.
While he's connecting, does anyone have a question? I know it's might be a little bit overwhelming. We'll have 2 more sessions, but feel free to ask us any questions because I think the most important thing is you be able to download a Power BI desktop in your computer. You should be able to access and look at the Power BI dashboard we have created. and also feel comfortable looking at the back end of all these tables.
Can I ask people on the call, maybe raise your hand or something, if you have a Mac, for example. I don't know even how to raise a hand. Okay, so Rania is a Mac, Andrew is a Mac, Angela is a Mac, Nathan is a Mac. Oh, Allison. Okay, Allison and Emma, do you have Mac or you just yeah, Ethan.
I have
Yes.
a Windows.
Oh, good. So there are half of the
Windows
team
Phone.
are using Mac.
There are a couple of options, Catherine, to do a Mac. One is where, how about we do this? We will send some options to do it. Unfortunately, some may involve a cost. That's just how there is something called Parallels for Mac to be able to access any Microsoft products, not just Power BI. And that comes at a cost for like a yearly cost. Let us also explore a little bit on this virtual machine that
Or-
Sricharan was talking about, and we'll
Wait,
get
Or
back.
you can or you can use VirtualBox and import an Windows virtual machine like that. Then you can use the Power BI app in VirtualBox. It's totally an open source software, so it's free to use. Just search for VirtualBox and you just need an Windows image. It may be Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can Power BI works on both.
Sounds good.
I have a boot camp. I have a pretty old computer with a boot camp on it. Is that okay? Should that work well with it?
Bootcamp in the which OS are you talking about? Like
This is
operating
like my
system?
brother's old one, so I'm not actually fully sure all the details. Wait,
It's currently Power BI will work only on Windows, like only Windows operating system.
Okay. I'll get back to you on that.
Really quickly, how do I import the Alviso data onto my own Power BI? Or is there
Yeah.
like a public that we're viewing?
So have you downloaded the dashboard that I have shared in the drive?
In the
The
chat?
backend file, like not in the chart, like I think I have shared it in the cloud, like the shared drive that
folders?
we have. Alviso
Okay.
shared drive. Yeah.
I'll check there.
From there, you can download the backend file, and I have also shared the backend data for each table that we have. You
So we
just
should
need
download
to
all of
change
them in
the
that.
source file. Like, sorry.
We should download everything that's like everything that you've shared, correct?
Yeah, you should download everything that I have shared and just open that file, and you can go to transform data, and here, like, let me show you.
Where
Okay,
did you
thank
share
you.
it?
It's in Alviso shared drive, Catherine. Like,
I remember I got from one of the emails, but it's not on the Google Drive that we use, right? Or it is there?
no, it's on the Google Drive.
Okay,
Let me-
okay.
Sricharan,
Oh, yeah,
let's open it.
Yeah, be
Let's
great.
open it
Yes.
and
Yeah.
show them.
Okay. One second. Shared with me. No, so this is the Alviso environment shared drive, right? Google Alviso environment shared drive.
Yeah, we can
Um,
see it.
Yeah, you can navigate to this environment dashboard team, and here we have the raw data. This one contains all the data files that we have for like air quality, mercury data, sound, water quality, everything. It contains everything. And the Power BI file is here. the latest one, this one. It's just the backend file. You just need to download it and open through Power BI desktop app. Then after opening it once, after opening it, you will get this view where you can go to either transform data. Yeah, you just need to go to transform data and click on, one second, yeah, click on the tables that we have. Like for air quality, this is the table. You just need to change the source. Like here, you will see an gear icon where if you click on it, it will ask you to update the source. You just need to browse through that folder and select the folder. Just one second, I will show you for an example. Yeah. If you, it will just load the data like this and it will apply the steps that I have. You just need to click on the last step and it will apply. Just close and apply this thing and it will load the data into the front end.
So let me try to understand. So the data has been downloaded and then put into a file, and the file put into the Google Drive, and the Power
it's in
BI
the
is
drive.
reading from that Google Drive and the file, right?
Currently, we are not connecting any online sources. We are just downloading locally and connecting it to the Power BI. We can store all the data into OneDrive and we can connect through the OneDrive.
Do you mind repeating
Catherine-
what to do after I've downloaded the data, please? Sorry, you cut out a little bit. I didn't really understand.
Yeah. So did you get how to connect the data or?
Yeah, I uploaded it to Power BI.
So is it better, Allison, if we transfer the host to you so you can share?
Okay, that works.
Yeah, one second.
You can just give me access to share.
Okay.
And I do appreciate question. Okay, so everybody online, make sure you have it working. Yeah, because you're gonna really truly work on that.
So I gave you the host access. You can share it.
Can you see it?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
This is what I have right now. They
That's
haven't
the
completely
old one, I
loaded.
think.
So the old one? Because I went to latest and that's what I got.
Okay.
Here, wait, let me share. Okay,
Yeah,
wait, so
can
I
you
went
go
to
to the transform data tab? Can you click on the, yeah. Just click on it on top, like on the icon. Yeah. Is it opening anything? Like,
Yeah, it's opening a new one. Do you want? Let me have it finish load and then I'll show you what it looks like.
okay.
I have a question.
Okay.
Is all of the data part, like the table view part, is all of ours connected, or is it like each of us has an individual copy? Because we downloaded it, right? But I don't know if it connects. I don't know. I'm guessing not, but I'm not sure.
Mm. Are you talking about the table view that we are viewing?
Yeah, the table view. So if I like change a number on the table view, right? It won't change on
Uh,
your end as well, right? So I can just go
yeah,
test random stuff.
okay. Let me say that table view is just for viewing purpose. You cannot edit data
Oh,
there. You can only edit data in transform data.
interesting. Okay.
And even when you do, Nathan, it's not going to show up in others until you post it to a cloud. Let's say you created a new visualization or you're making some changes.
Uh-huh.
You have to now either share the dashboard with everyone, like the offline version, or you have to post it to cloud so everyone can view those changes.
Okay, I see, I see. Thanks.
Can I share my screen again?
You can share. You are the host right now.
Can you see it?
Yes. Srijan, are you saying something? We can't hear you. So I think what he's trying to say is click on source, right, Srijan? Cannot hear you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just click on the
Uh,
source on the
On the right
left,
side?
right side. Right side, you will see applied steps. On the top,
Yeah.
yeah. So click on the gear icon.
do I press edit settings?
No, yeah, you can do that too. Yeah. Have you
And then
downloaded the air quality data?
I think so. It says air quality data. Can you see this little pop-up that says folder on it?
Sorry.
Can you see this little pop-up right here?
Yeah, I can see the pop-up.
Okay.
Just click on browse and select the source file, that air quality source file that I have shared in the drive.
Hold up a second. The only thing I downloaded was the file inside the latest in Power BI.
Oh, yeah. To view the changes, what I have done, you also need to download the raw data that we have in the cloud. Like,
So in raw data and Power BI, there's how to get the data files in Power BI. Do you want me to download the stuff that's inside data files?
yeah, you need to download those files too.
All of them?
Yeah, all of them.
But let's try with the air quality data first, Allison.
Okay.
So then you can just connect the other ones.
Alviso, air quality, and then new air quality data, right?
Sricharan.
1 second, I will share you the link for the file. You can download it from there.
Okay.
The file, air quality.
So
Okay,
once
I
this
have shared.
problem is solved, I really like to all of us to go into, for example, air quality data, what is what, to understand the data a little bit more.
Okay, I have shared the drive link in the chat. Can you check?
Yeah, do you want me to download Alviso air quality or Alviso air quality sensor?
Just the air quality.
Okay. And there's like okay,
One
new
second.
air quality data, right?
Yeah, new air quality data. Download that.
And then there's like 6 different locations inside. Do you want me to download them all?
Just download the new air quality data file. The whole thing will come up.
Okay. Okay, and then do I have to upload that as well?
Yeah, you
Or
need to upload that in the folder that you're viewing. Like this is like path.
So hit browse, Allison, and then just connect to that data you just downloaded.
uh
Maybe in your downloads, yeah.
yeah, it is not
I
in
think
here.
it's in zip format and it won't show up. Like just extract the data.
How do I do that?
Okay, just go open like a file explorer, like your document, like or open your downloads.
Yep.
And then
Go
when
to
you,
the-
I have an issue with downloading it. I think I have to download it individually because I don't have WinZip on my desktop and that's how it defaults. So I have to buy WinZip or something like that, or else it doesn't
Oh, no,
open
you
the
don't.
file.
don't need to.
you don't
You
have
just
to.
it will extract the data automatically. Like
Yeah.
sorry, not automatically. You just need to right click and click on extract data. It will extract it.
You see like a folder, right, Allison, in your downloads?
Yes.
Now right click on that, whatever you download, right click and say extract all.
On this screen, because I'm in my like folder doing this right now.
Yeah, in your folder only, in your folder only.
I don't
Not on
have
this-
the extract data thing.
Uh,
Would you
Can
be
you
able to
share
share that
your-
screen? Yeah.
I can try.
yeah. Um,
I'll right click it and then this is what I see.
yeah, you have the 7-zip, right? You can extract it. Like you can say extract to
Which one? This one?
yeah, that one. Yeah.
Would you like to replace the existing file?
Is it already available there?
I think it's fine. Just say replace it. It's fine.
Replace.
I think it just replaced it.
Okay.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Yeah, new air quality data. Just click on new air quality data. Not that one. One second.
Sorry.
The second folder. Yeah, that one. Okay. And click on OK. Yeah, it's loading.
So now, Allison, if you see where on the right side you hit source, yeah, you've done it. And now you can see
It's
each of the steps
automatically
you've
applied.
done. Yep. But if you want to backtrack and see what he's done, like just click on source. You don't need to, yeah, not the gear button, just source. Then if you click on filtered hidden files, it's automatically doing all that. He has done all the steps for you. You don't need to replicate. All you now have is like changed. When you come all the way to the last one, that's like the
Change
clean
type.
file. So exactly.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's almost like recording it for you. So that's the nice thing about Power BI. So now each one of you can do the same thing. And then now you just connect to all the data sources as Srichan was talking about. So then you'll have access to all the data sources.
Do you want me to do this? Wait. Would you like me to do the same for the rest of these as well?
Yeah, same thing. You
Okay.
need to download the raw data from cloud and just upload the source, update the source.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh wait, I think I did something wrong because I downloaded I just downloaded all of them. So I downloaded all the data files and I have them on my downloads right now. Should I just like
Okay.
and then you said to right click and then do the export. Wait, sorry, what
No,
was it again? And not
can you
export,
share your screen?
extract all.
Yeah, extract all.
Not yeah, I extracted all. I pressed extract all and then it just turned it into like because it was a zip and then I extracted all and then just turned into a folder. And now there's no more
Yeah, it's
option to
turned
extract
into.
all.
Oh,
Wait, is it,
can you share your screen?
not it's kind of like it's like a different computer because my
Oh,
computer that I normally use is a Mac.
okay, okay.
So um hmm. I can like get off the Zoom call and then go on when my okay. Wait, I'm
Can
gonna
you
just gonna come back.
screenshot it? Nathan, just screenshot and post it in the chat. At least we can look at it that way. Like what did it show? Like just folders?
Okay, I'll right click. It's a pretty bad quality image, but so I have that. There's
Let
none of
me
the
view it. Okay, can you open it? Like, what do you see inside it?
I just that's another folder, just one folder that's called data files.
Can you open it again?
Now once I open it, I have the Alvisa air quality, Alvisa sensor, quality sensor, Alvisa mercury, like that whole folder and stuff.
Okay, just go to the air quality data.
Okay.
You will see the same thing, like new air quality data in it.
I see new air quality data and air quality underscore data.
Yeah, you just need to upload the new air quality data while doing this. Like,
I still don't have the extract button though.
I think it's already.
it's already
Did you not
extracted.
extract? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
After
Oh,
the
okay.
extraction only, you will get the folder.
Okay, then I'm just done then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
That's
Thanks.
okay. So Nathan, then you just follow along what Allison was doing. You just say, browse, connect to that air quality data under that air quality data folder.
Yeah, just open the Power BI dashboard, go to transform window and select the data type. I mean, like for select air quality change the source data, and the steps will follow automatically. Like whatever I did the ETL operations, it will automatically generate once you change the source.
Ah. I'm trying to download it on Mac, but I'm not sure exactly how to do that. Do you know how to download that? Because I remember you were
Best
saying
way is
something.
like the best way is like use an virtual machine. Like we have VirtualBox. It's Oracle VirtualBox. Just download it, and in that you need to use Windows, like Windows operating system. You need to install Windows operating system in it, and you need to install Power BI in it.
Okay,
Then you can
I
use
see.
it.
So VirtualBox.
Yeah, just check there are many YouTube videos how to install Windows operating system on VirtualBox. You just
Okay.
need Windows image, like it may be Windows 10 or Windows 11. Both works on it.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, I will also share you some resources for it, if possible. Yeah.
It right now it says data source not found, file or folder. We cannot find the folder, so the path is wrong, I think, or is that
Yeah,
like
the
my
source
end
data
problem?
you need to update it
Okay.
because you don't have the source. Actually, I have created those things, right? When I share the raw data, what happens is the source never changes. The source which is showing you is actually located in my desktop. Like
I see.
the source files that you see, everything are located in my desktop. You cannot access those. So what you need to do is you need to download the source files, raw files, and you need to change the source. Then you can view the data.
Okay.
Any doubts on it? If anyone have any doubts on accessing the
I did the same thing for the sensor and the water quality. Something different popped up for the browse, and then they gave me an error because they told me to reset my privacy settings.
privacy settings.
Can you
Can
share
you
also?
share the screen?
Yeah. Here, I think I got maybe the sensor data to be working, but I have two Santa Clara water qualities, and
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
one is water quality report data, and the other one is water quality. Field report. One is field report, and the other one is lab report.
Okay, so
Instead of
sources.
here, what you need to do is it's an CSV data, right? For that, instead of selecting the folder, let me show. Yeah, click on browse. Do you have the data?
Yeah.
Yeah, go to data.
So
Yeah,
so this one's
click on
field data,
field data.
and then this one's lab data.
Only for air quality and sensor data, you need to select the folders. For Santa
Oh, okay.
Clara, I mean the water quality lab report and field report, you need to select files like CSV files. Sorry, I forgot to mention it.
There's like an error every single time I come here. I'm not sure.
Okay, I think some of the steps have changed in it. Like click on the sensor data.
Okay.
Click on source. No, just click on the step. Like, can you select one by one stepwise, like what field hidden file one, like
Just
click
click on each
Filtered.
step,
each step.
listen, yeah, just one at a time.
We will find
Just-
out where the error is coming. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Can you go on?
Go where?
Remove other columns one. Okay, yeah, it's giving another expand table column one. Can you click on transform file to second column, like in the data? Next to it, on right, yeah, that one. Click on that one. Click on load more and click OK. Insert, just saying. Oh, it's not. um, no. Can you click on the sixth step? Yeah. Click the X mark next to it, like that one. You can, by clicking on it, you can remove the step that we have applied. Okay. Okay, I will see why the error is coming up and let you guys know. Can you try
I think it's
different?
just on my side. Because there was like
No,
a pop-up earlier who asked me about privacy, and I just like randomly clicked because I wasn't.
I don't think so. That's the. Oh,
I think he'll check it and then let you know. I don't
yeah,
think it's
I
on
will
your
check
side,
it.
Allison.
Okay.
Okay. And then is there anything we have to do for source data?
Is it?
Is there something we have to download for that one too?
It's just an table. I think I have created in it. I will share with you.
This is just the links that he has created, right? It's really not showing any visualization. So we can focus on the other ones first.
Okay.
We are pretty much run out of time, 3 more minutes. One more question is regarding the sensor data. So we install a second sensor. Nathan, do you know how to incorporate the second sensor data into the dashboard?
Oh, I don't know. No, I mean we can just do the raw files again, but I'm guessing that the final product is going to be live, and I do not know. Like I'm like very, very, very new to Power BI, and by that I mean like
One
really
question.
new.
Where is the new sensor data? I mean, like, where is the data source going through? Is it
Right now it's going through this place called ThinkSpeak. I have the API, the write API. Was it called writing API key? I forgot what it's called. I can go send you the link to it.
Yeah, if you send me the link, I will look into it and let you know how to connect through it.
I think
Sounds
I'll put it
good.
in chat in a second.
So 2 more minutes. Anybody has question? Jack, do you know how to do things? Angela? Andrea?
Sorry, what did you say? You cut out.
Oh, yeah, question before we hang up for today's meeting.
Oh, I don't think so because I have a Mac, so I think I have to first figure out how to like download it on my
Okay,
Mac
so
first.
yeah, so we can have individual meetings. Nathan has done it already, so Nathan can show, including you, Jack. So
I
Nathan
have
can show.
not done it already. I have
Okay.
not done it. I am like not there yet.
So are you using a Mac or a Windows computer? The one you just showed me.
One thing I can do is I can create a step-by-step for them to install Windows in a virtual box. Like
Okay,
from there, they can download the Power BI app.
okay, sounds good, sounds good.
Yeah.
Any other, and we're going to have a
Wait,
presentation
can
to, go ahead.
Can I share my screen really quickly so then to make sure that you have the correct information for my for
Yeah.
the reading API key stuff?
I
wait, I
think
don't
I'm
know.
not the host.
Allison, are you the host?
Sorry. Do you want me
Okay.
to transfer it to you?
Yeah, thanks.
I made you the.
No, thanks.
Okay. So this is it's a new type of thing right now. Sorry. Yeah, this is the new
Okay.
yeah. It's basically I have the API keys over here. This is the reading API key. I'll go put it in the chat.
Okay. Just share the link. I mean, the whole website link.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
In WhatsApps.
Well, I'm gonna go put it in the Zoom chat first before that should work. I have it as public view, I think. And then the import export data is over here. But I don't really know how that works with the reading API key.
No, I
So
know.
I don't even think if you
I
need
can
it.
figure it out. Yeah. I can figure that out. Just share the website link. I mean the.
I put in chat. Does that work? Maybe
Okay.
it doesn't work.
One second. Let me.
Oh, it works, but it's only public view. You don't get the key, I think.
Yeah, seems like a public view. I don't see all this. Let me see
Yeah.
what I did.
For that we
I
need
can
to
just give you.
register.
I'll just give you the account name and password. Like
Yeah, that will help.
yeah, I'll just do that. It's just Catherine's email, and oh, I'm gonna stop sharing. Which is oh my god, wait, I forgot the email. Ugh. I like autofill. I just put the email and the password in the chat.
Okay.
And then the website is ThinkSpeak.
Yeah, got it.
Got it? Yeah.
I will look into it and I'll let you know how to connect the data.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. We are 3 minutes over. Thank you so much, Sri. And we will most likely will practice a lot more. And we're waiting for you to meet both of you again next week, same time.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you. Okay,
Thank you,
bye-bye.
everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye.